Okay, let's talk about list slicing. In Python, a list is a collection of items that can be of different types. Slicing allows you to access a subset of elements from a list by specifying a start and end index. This means you can create a new list that contains only the elements you want. For example, if we have a list like this, we can slice this list to get a portion of it. If we want the first 3 items, we can use this syntax. Now let's talk about indices. In Python, list indices start at 0. This means the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. When slicing, we use this syntax where the start is inclusive and end is exclusive. So if we want to slice from the second to the fourth language, we would write this. What if you want to slice from the beginning or to the end of the list? You can omit the start or the end index. For instance, if you want all items from the second one onward, you can do this. If you want the first 2 items, you can slice like this. Another powerful feature of list slicing is the use of negative indices. Negative indices count from the end of the list. For example, -1 refers to the last element, -2 to the second last, and so on. If we want to get the last 2 items from our list, we can use this. Now let's explore the step parameter in slicing. We can use this syntax for this. So we have start index, end index, and step count. The step allows you to skip elements in the list. For example, if we want every second language, we can write this. Okay, let's put this all together. You can also slice several other data types: strings, tuples, bytes, numpy arrays, pandas, data frames.